Easy what I yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in a white one.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nekeisha, and whatever. And today I am here with my cousin, and today we're gonna be doing the cousin tag. So yeah, it's just like questions. So
I'm Angel, by the way. She didn't introduce me.
oh, introduce yourself.
Really?
Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Angel
Mhm.
Solomon. I am from ANU, Antigua,
Yes.
and I just graduated from high school.
She's 17. You know, she's kind of young. Even though we're
Young
like
and fabulous.
a few months apart. It's not even a year, right?
No,
No. Yeah.
I'm turning 18 next year, December. I'm so pretty. Anyways, let us vent with our questions.
But anyway, to the questions now.
Okay, number one. How and when did you meet?
Well, we met at a really, really young age.
Yeah,
Basically, when we were like,
can't remember. It's been.
it was a long time. We grew up together, so.
So, but what I can't remember though is that the last time we hung out together, that's all I can remember.
The last
Like,
time,
real good.
like last year.
That wasn't last year. You didn't come back last year.
Oh, years ago. That time.
That was fun.
Yeah. That was
Two, how exactly are you related? So we found out, we found out by her mom saying that her mom's mom,
Is her mom's
sister.
yeah. So both of our moms, they're cousins.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's how we're related. How long have we known each other for? Long time.
Our whole life, basically. Yeah.
It's long to tell because I saw a picture of us.
We were young, right?
Yeah.
And we were on the couch.
No, we were standing up, but yeah,
Oh.
we were really young.
Different picture I'm talking about.
Do we fight or argue a lot?
We don't argue at all
Nah,
or fight at all.
not at all. I just have one problem with her. She just don't message me. When she's
thing
ready,
is-
she either leave me on scene or delivered.
No, it's because I don't even know, honestly. It's just WhatsApp. I don't like WhatsApp at all. And that's like the only way we can talk. So, my fault.
I got Snapchat though. I don't know.
Yeah, so now she can bother me on Snapchat and I'll, answer. And I'll bother her. Because I will bother her.
We'll see if that's a change, by the way. By the way, add me up on Snapchat. Lady
Yeah.
Empress 17. Yeah. Which is the most outgoing cousin? Outgoing person.
I think you are.
I am.
Because I don't really like people like that.
I'm a party person. I am.
Yeah, me too. But like, I go with my people. I don't go and mingle and talk to other people. I go with my people and I stay with my people and that's it.
I say that would be me for real. Which one of you is the quietest?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
believe it or not, I'm quiet.
Bro, I'm loud.
You're not
24.
that loud.
Honestly, when I used to go to school, I was like loud all day, every day. Who is always late to meet up? Oh, who is always late to a meetup? Both of us.
Both of us, yeah.
Only because I get my time wrong. Like, if I have to go somewhere for like 4, I get ready by 3:30. Go and bathe and everything by 3:30. And since where I live, I know the bus schedule ain't run as fast. So I usually walk out the road to catch the bus at 4. So I'm late.
Well, I'm late because I usually get ready before the time, but then I sit down, take pictures, and find something to eat and stuff like that. And then, yeah, I just waste time.
Who is the youngest?
Bing, 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 bing.
It's the a year for real?
I don't think it's a year because you're December. It is a year because you're December. I'm September. It's a year.
Yes, a year. What year are you born? 2001?
2000.
2000. I was 2001.
Yeah, so it's a year and like 3 months. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm the youngest. And the baddest.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
Excuse me.
Okay, who takes longer to get ready? Just a little while, it was me. Because I was just walking all over the place.
You gotta see, I'll put
doing
it in the
nothing.
video. She was taking forever. Well, not forever, but
Bro, don't.
she was just dancing in the mirror. I was like, okay.
I was trying to get ready, okay? The beauty. The beauty.
Yeah.
Who's the best cook? We don't know, because...
I never ate her cooking.
Yeah, I never ate
she
hers.
never ate mine.
But pretty much her, because I don't really cook like that.
Me either.
But I don't know who's the best, so... Do you have any nicknames for each other? If so, what are they? Do I have a nickname?
I remember
few
she used to
nicknames.
call me Pebble because she said I was delicate or something like that.
I call you Pepper?
You don't remember?
Damn, no.
She used to call me. That was like the last time we seen each other. She was like calling me Pebble because I was so small and something like a pebble. She said something like that.
I don't remember. I can't believe you remember all that.
It was so funny. I was like Pebble, and her nickname was just Pinky. Everybody calls her Pinky. So, well,
She
used
doesn't
to.
really. Yeah, used to.
Yeah.
I don't have a nickname right now. Have you ever gotten into trouble? Have you ever gotten in trouble together? What happened?
Okay, so we were trying to go to this like party thing.
That was
right?
last night.
Yeah, it was last night too. We were trying to go to this party, and it wasn't really working out.
Yeah.
We didn't know how to tell our parents, so we just told them we were gonna go and walk around and hang out. And then we got there, her mom was like. So then when we got there, her mom was just blowing up her phone, and she was
She
like,
called so much times. I couldn't
right. And then at one point,
I didn't answer most of it.
yeah, we were trying to convince her to like say, oh, we have a ride because we did have a ride. And her mom was like, listen, I'm coming to get y'all now.
Now.
And we
now.
were shook because we weren't where we were supposed to be.
We weren't even there. She wanted us to meet her somewhere in town.
Mm-hmm.
We weren't even near town.
At all.
We're like somewhere far, like at the beach.
Yeah.
And we were stuck there. For,
And we
like,
had to find a ride. It was so funny.
the thing is, she slept over and her bag was with us with
Yeah.
a ride. And we couldn't get to the ride.
Because the ride wasn't answering his phone.
Yeah, it went straight to voicemail.
Yeah. So we got a ride though. And he was driving crazy, but it was okay.
I knew it. I was used to those crap. I'm used to every crazy driver. It doesn't even matter. But yeah, we got there and I told him to drop us by Burger King. And we
Yeah.
walked up to him. She told me to meet her. Funny thing is, my mom, she loves to curse, argue about anything. And she doesn't care what she says. She sings. Sex. Oh, anyways. So I expect her to, argue with me and curse. But then she was calm because I know her head was hurting, she told me. And, she wasn't really in the mood because she had to wake up early this morning to prepare for our Christmas dinner.
Oh, it's Christmas Day, by the way, guys.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
That happened. I don't know if
And
I'm
we
told-
got in trouble one other time too. Remember last year when I was with you?
Teen Splash.
I think so. And then my mom was like looking for us or something, and then she couldn't find us. And
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
but we weren't really in trouble. But this time we were in trouble.
Yeah. Okay. 13. 3 things that are completely different about you and your cousin.
She's too nice, and
Bro, you're nice too.
I'm not too nice though. She's
It's not
too nice.
personality.
I'm nice. She's better at holding her tongue than I am.
I'm the Lord's angel.
What?
Huh?
What you?
I said I'm the Lord's angel, but I don't know.
I'm taller. Right? I'm taller.
know.
Yes, I am. I don't
Because
care.
when you were just putting in my ear and you were just that way.
I'm taller. And that's it.
Yeah, fine. Another one. 3 things that are similar about you and your cousin. Should I answer that one?
Well, we swear we look alike. We don't care.
Yeah, a lot of people say that we don't look alike,
But we look alike.
we kind of do. I think so.
I mean, we used to more when we were younger.
Yeah.
But then my face just changed, so. But we still look alike. I don't care.
My face didn't change at all.
Yeah, not really. Mine's did though.
Like, we kind of were the same size,
Yeah.
and we're both skinny.
Yeah. So. What else? We both like to eat.
A lot.
Yeah.
Noodles.
Yeah, noodles.
Describe each other in a single sentence.
You want me to go for it? Okay, you
It's
go
ours.
first.
You can go.
Okay, so Angel is the purest person that I know. Like, she's just so genuine and just pure, literally.
Thank you.
Yes. She's like, this is more than a sentence. She's just like I don't know, just a pure soul, a free spirit, like no bad vibes, like ever. Yeah.
Oh, positive vibes, guys.
Always.
My cousin is like the best friend to me, and she's real beautiful. Like, I tell her so all the time. I tell her everything, literally everything.
We
Like,
tell
she's
each
my
other
best
everything.
friend.
Yeah.
My favorite cousin, actually.
Facts.
Yeah. Describe the last thing you did together. It's pretty much last. What we did together? Nothing really. We were just chilling in the bed,
Yeah.
listening to music,
Yeah.
talking, and yeah.
Yeah.
That's... If your cousin were trapped in a room, what 5 objects would they want to have?
Okay, well, Angel would want her phone. She would want, let me see. Yeah, I was going to that, but I was like, nah. So, her phone, probably her tablet, a good sheet so she could sleep. Let me see. Some food, obviously.
Of course.
And last thing, a comb. She's always asking for a comb.
Okay. You know, you would want literally
Yes.
eyelashes, some hair, tallies, you know, just do her hair there. Her phone, well, she's not really on her phone like that. She told me. She probably just have her and like, but yeah,
I was
her
on my
phone,
yeah.
her laptop, to YouTube, and just like me food.
Yeah.
If your parents were to go out for the evening, which one of you would they leave in charge? Her.
Yeah, probably me. Even though I'm not even responsible like that at all.
The thing is, my mom would think that I'll bring someone over, which I might. Show the earliest photograph you have together. Oh, we have together. Oh, I have that one.
You have it?
Yeah.
When we were kids?
The earliest. Oh, when we were kids?
Yeah.
I mean, like right now.
Oh, they mean like right now. Oh.
I don't know.
Earliest mean like, I think they mean like right now.
But they say like farthest.
That's what I'm saying.
We're gonna show.
We're just gonna show a picture of us.
We took this last night. See? That was us.
Yeah, last night.
Last
I don't know if
night.
y'all can see it, but oh, they can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was us.
Oh, there we are.
Before we got in trouble.
What is one thing that your cousin can do that you can't? She can dance. Like, okay, not really dance. Okay, oh my gosh. I can dance too, but she can split. I can't split. If I split, I'm feeling pain all right in my groin.
I'm dead.
So,
Oh, let me see. One thing she can do. She can run track. I can't run track.
I
can
was gonna
run.
say that, no, but I thought you did. You run track before.
I didn't run track before. I was just like on like a sports team that required me to be fast, but I never ran track. I don't know how to. I don't run like how they run. I just run.
Okay. What is the best holiday do you enjoy spending best with each other?
Carnival.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's longer
Mhm.
and we get to go a lot more places.
Together.
This is actually
And it's more fun.
our first Christmas together.
Yeah. in just case y'all don't know, Carnival is just like a celebration of
Festival.
dancing, music,
Mhm.
food,
Soca music.
stuff like that. What is your favorite thing to do together? I don't know, everything. Just be together.
Yeah, every time she's here, we do a lot together.
Yeah, we just do everything.
Mostly talk.
Yeah.
Like the last time she's been here in the summer, we were just on our laptop playing Sims.
Yeah. Yep, I know your password.
I told you.
No, I saw you do it. What is your cousin's favorite color? Hers is pink. I don't know if it changed, but she used to love pink.
I think I remember yours.
I don't have a favorite color.
You don't?
I swear I don't. I don't even know. I like red.
I was gonna say
like-
purple.
Oh yeah. Purple was my favorite color for a long time. So you got it. You got it.
Cause I remember your laptop being purple.
Yeah, because I got it when that was my favorite color. What is your cousin's most used sentence / word? Hers is, I don't understand. She's always saying that.
I'm around her now, cause sometimes I be so confused. Like,
She'd be like, I don't understand. Like you just
Bro.
say something, and she's just like not with it. She'd be like, I don't understand.
Literally. Her is not really a sentence. It's a word.
What is it?
She always says cute.
I do.
Yes, you do. You came in my bedroom, you're like, oh, India's cute. Every clothes she went through in my suitcase. This is cute. And the thing is that she bought it for me.
It's cute. So I gotta be cute.
Yeah, everything cute. So
Yeah. Well, I guess that was the last question.
Mhm.
We never argued before, which is good. Because I always argue with
and it
somebody.
will always stay like that.
Yes.
Like that.
Like this.
I can't do that. I have my fingernail.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video with my cousin.
I've been laughing and smiling like a fool.
And yeah.
Subscribe.
I'm gonna vlog. We're gonna go to the beach tomorrow. I'ma record it. So you guys will see
You
her.
have to cut that back because I just said subscribe too early. You should.
No, it's fine. You can say that.
Okay.
So yeah, go follow her on Instagram and stuff like that.
My Instagram name, I think it's, to be honest, it's Empress.
I don't know, but I'll find it. Is it raining? But yeah. So now,
Follow me on Snapchat though,
Yeah, I don't know.
like I just told you. You what?
What? So yeah, go add her, follow her on everything, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. And yeah,
So like already.
no, you can say it.
Make sure you like and spread the word. You know.
Yes.
Trying to reach some followers here. At least 1K for now. For now.
Yeah. So, bye.
Bye.